The gelatin trick for weight loss is breaking the internet right now, and most people still don't know what it actually is or how it works. Searches for the gelatin trick recipe are exploding. The pink gelatin trick is going viral. And yet, if you ask 10 people what the gelatin trick ingredients actually are, most of them will give you a different answer, because most of them learned it from a copy. I'm going to change that today. This video is going to answer the question everyone is asking. What is the gelatin trick? What is the gelatin trick for weight loss? And why is the pink gelatin trick specifically getting so much attention right now? Let's start at the beginning. The gelatin weight loss trick is built around a surprisingly simple idea. Gelatin, yes, the kind you already know, when combined with the right ingredients in the right sequence at the right time of day, may do something inside your body that nobody expected from something this simple. People started calling it the gelatin trick diet because it doesn't feel like a diet. There's no calorie counting, no restriction, no complicated meal plan. The gelatin trick to lose weight works as a short daily habit, something you prepare in minutes and fit into your existing routine without thinking about it. Now, what are the 3 ingredients in the gelatin trick? This is the question everyone is searching for, and it's also where most videos get it completely wrong. The gelatin trick recipe ingredients aren't the secret. The secret is what you do with them. The sequence, the timing, the preparation method. That's what transforms a simple gelatin weight loss recipe into something that actually works. And then there's the pink gelatin trick. If you've seen the pink gelatin trick recipe circulating online and wondered if it's different from the original, it is. The pink gelatin recipe is a variation that some people find easier to prepare and more consistent in results. It uses the same core logic as the gelatin weight loss trick, but with one small adjustment in the ingredient combination that changes the texture, the taste, and according to many people, does the gelatin trick work? That's the honest question. And the honest answer is the copied versions don't. The real gelatin trick for weight loss? The version with correct timing, correct ingredients, and correct preparation is what the gelatin trick reviews are actually talking about when people say it changed something for them. The watered down versions you find in rushed videos, those are not the same thing. This is also where names like the Dr. Oz gelatin trick and the Mark Hyman gelatin trick started appearing. People noticed that the principles behind the gelatin diet trick align with things that credible voices in nutrition have talked about for years. The role of specific proteins in appetite signaling, the gut connection, the timing of nutrient intake. The gelatin trick recipe for weight loss isn't a random internet trend. It has a logic behind it. The bariatric gelatin trick is another variation worth mentioning, a version adapted specifically for people who have had bariatric surgery or are on a medically supervised weight loss path. The bariatric gelatin approach uses the same gelatin weight loss trick recipe foundation, but is adjusted for gentler digestion and lower volume preparation. So let's bring it all together. Whether you've been searching for the gelatin trick weight loss method, the pink gelatin trick recipe, or simply wondering what is the recipe for the gelatin trick, the answer lives in one place. Not in the dozens of incomplete copies, not in the rushed 60-second versions, in the original explanation that covers every detail, every ingredient, every step of the gelatin diet trick properly. What makes the gelatin trick diet different from everything else you've tried is exactly what makes it easy to dismiss at first glance. It doesn't look dramatic. It doesn't come in a box with a 30-day plan. The gelatin recipe for weight loss is quiet, consistent, and practical, which is precisely why the people who stick with the real version keep talking about it. If you've already searched for what ingredients are in the gelatin trick or what is the gelatin weight loss recipe and walked away with more questions than answers, that's not your fault. The real gelatin trick recipe for weight loss has been buried under copies that prioritize clicks over clarity. This video exists to point you toward the version that actually explains it right. The full gelatin trick explanation, the correct preparation, the pink gelatin trick variation, the exact timing, and every ingredient detail most videos skip is available right now. The link is in the description below, or find it in the first pinned comment. Go watch it from the beginning. The gelatin trick for weight loss is simpler than you think. but only when someone finally shows you the right version.